We'll guide you through how to use Vercel BotID effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Vercel dashboard. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're in, go to the top right corner and click on the New Project button. This is where you can set up your project to use BotID. Select the repository you want to connect to Vercel, or you can import a new one if it's not listed. Next, in the project settings, look for the Environment Variables section. You need to add your BotID credentials here. Click on the Add button and enter the key as BotID, and then paste your BotID value. This will allow your project to access BotID functionalities securely. Save the changes and navigate back to your project's main page. Now, click on the Deploy button to redeploy your project with the new environment variables. Once the deployment is complete, you can start using BotID in your application. To test it out, you can use the Vercel CLI. Open your terminal and type Vercel dev to start your local development server. This allows you to simulate your project as if it were in production. You can interact with BotID as you would in a live environment. Remember, with BotID, you can automate interactions and integrate AI-powered features into your app seamlessly. It's a powerful tool for enhancing user experience with minimal setup. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.